In this next tutorial, we'll show you how to create a grass berm within Image Editor. We'll do so using the Contour Perspective Edit tool. To get started, what we need to do is to create a pattern within a pattern. And we're going to go up to our toolbar here, and we're going to select the Rectangle Area tool, and then we're going to drag a rectangle around the area to capture. And when we release the click, we get a pop-up and we want to create new object. Okay, so now we have a new pattern within a pattern. Okay, we want to right click on this now and go down to Contour Perspective Edit. Okay, from here we get several sizing points to adjust this pattern. And the technique that we want to use is we want to grab the upper points here and curl them down towards us, like so. Okay, and once we get these curled out, what we can do is grab the next two outer points and bring them down so that the berm tapers down to the sides, like so. Okay, these next 2 points, we're going to skip those and go down to the next row here. And we're going to bend those up just slightly, like so. Okay, and there we have our berm. Let's go ahead and move that off to the side like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and create another berm using a different technique. We'll use the Rectangle Area tool again, and we'll create a nice large pattern there and create new object. Okay, we're going to right click on it and we'll select Contour Perspective Edit. Now this time what we want to do is to flip the pattern vertically. So we come up to the toolbar and click on Flip Vertically, and that changes this pattern around so that it flips it upside down. So now when I bend this down, the blades at the top appear to be smaller and the blades closest to us appear to be larger. Okay, so let's go ahead and taper that down like we did before. And we'll arch these 2 points up a little bit. And then we'll move it in front of our previous berm, like so. Okay, now if we wanted to create another berm, just a copy of this one, what we could do is go up to our edit bar. We'll select Copy or Control-C on the keyboard. Okay, and we'll go to Edit and Paste or Control-V on the keyboard to paste a duplicate in. You'll notice that when I do that, it flips it back around. But if I click on it, it should flip it back over like so. So I just have a carbon copy of the original berm. And I can place it into position here, like so. So there are my 3 berms. Now once we've created our berms, what we want to do before we start adding plant material on here is to flatten the project. And we do that by going up to the File menu, and we'll go down to Flatten Project. And here it's going to warn me that I cannot change this once I've done it. So I'm going to click Yes here, and you'll see that when I do that, it trims it to the picture. And if I click on these, it does not allow me to make any adjustments there. Okay, then I would want to go ahead and continue with my project.